Omukoro gwo kuzekiro cy'abanyamakuru munsi yona gukurizibwa hasi y'omuteguro kugira ngo omwuga gw'omunyamakuru omukireke empinduka y'obwire no kurinda ebyobuhangwa. Omuri Kabare gubira omu kishayi kya Kabare kandi gushyikirwaho abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe. Obu Minisita Milly Babalanda abira ari omugyenyi mukuru kandi abira ashagatirwe Minisita Chris Baryomunsi ow'ebyakanyabwengye hamwe n'empurizagana. Abanyamakuru hamwe n'abagyenyi bakuru babandiza okubyara emiti obu barikukuratira theme y'omwaka ogu ahabwa ekireki. Nabwanyuma Minisita Babalanda aigwire ofisi z'abanyamakuru ba Kabare ahansi y'omukago gwabo ogwa Kabare Media Fraternity. Esther Ibazibwe orikwebembera abanyamakuru ahabwa Kabare agambire ba minisita bombaba ebizibu by'abanyamakuru barikurabamu na munonga okusasurwa kubi wagerageranisa n'emirimo yibarukora.
Honorable Minister, I would like to appreciate the people who work with the media to make news, and mostly the political wing. Let me also thank the proprietors of the media houses that are present, because if they had not started their media houses, most of us would not be employed today.
Abebembezi ba Kabare nabo basemera omurimo gw'abanyamakuru omucyanga.
Ours is a humble call on you and the colleagues to the positions of responsibility to ensure that journalists work and there are less incidents that happen to them because of that work.
The media houses in Kigezi are partners in development. We are working together with our media houses in Kigezi for social economic transformation.
Yes, I know as your line minister that journalists largely are paid poorly, especially in the private practice. We have not taken a decision as government to establish a minimum wage in the country.
Minisita Milly Babalanda omukugamba kwe asimira abanyamakuru ahabwa obuhereza burungi obu barukorera ihanga kandi abahire miliyoni 3 cash okubayambaho on projects zabo.
Congratulations, Kabal Maternity.
The lack of the spirit of patriotism and the greed and corruption in our people are the factors fueling environmental degradation, and they are the reason we are still grappling with these problems.
Omugandi abanyamakuru n'abatura omu district ya Rwengo bashabirwe kucenemze yo kushisha ebyobuhangwa ahabo kugira ngo nobutempi ndahinduka yensi aha Rutezyo habaho bworo hamwe n'enjara omuyihanga. Ebigambiro nyuma y'abazyo aha mukoro gwo kuzaguza ekiro cy'abanyamakuru omu town ya Kibuga omu Kyazanga Rwengo district ahabo abanyamakuru aba Greater Masaka.
Byabufuzi abatuuze mikono gyaffe okuva mu masomero ag'enjawulo ababadde wamu naffe tumukola bulungi bwansi
okulaba nga twegatta wamu okulaba nga tutaakiriza obutonde bw'ensi.
Neebaza bannamawulire bafudde Kyazanga kyeri tetwandisobodde kumanyika naffe ne batumanya kati n'ab'embalala batulaba n'ab'e Kampala batulaba n'ab'omu Amerika batulaba.
Ahabwe cyanga eki habireho kubyara emiti okuyora kasasiro kandi byona bibire nibigendera aha muramwa gw'omwaka ogu.
Tufunye omukisa munene amawulire kya bbeeyi era kya kitiibwa amawulire gakulaakulanya ensi oba amawulire gayinza okukakkanya ensi.
Era nja kuzzaayo okwebaza eri bannamawulire bonna mwebali kukkiriza ne muleeta omukolo ne gucelebratingibwa mu kitundu kyaffe.
Ekyensaba eddembe ly'abannamawulire lirinyiddwa nnyo mu kiseera kino. Tusaba gavumenti n'abakuumaddembe tugezeeko okukuza eddembe ly'amawulire.
Omuganda nkaaga abanyamakuru n'abebembezi omuri Rukungiri babyara emiteri izooba kandi ekintu kimwe aha bindi ebikozirwe izooba lya nnyo mwebazyo obwo abanyamakuru omu district egi barikwegita aha abandi omu nsi yoona okukuza ekiro kyabo.
Nenyamiza sawuni yaffe ekyafu tutambulidde kuba tukolekitiza tani za ntani z'obugavumenti kale njagala okubira omulanga abantu bonna abantu bonna abamaduuka abantu bonna abakola bizinesi nti obuyonjo kintu kikulu nnyo
ogwo n'omuranga gw'abantu boona abaryo mu Rukunjo municipality n'ihanga ryona twabanzanana n'omukoro gw'okubyara emiti bakirininga tawuni yitu esimu y'omuhendo munonga.
Bamwe mu banyamakuru bashobora habwenki bakozera obuheereza obwo.
So nyenda kusima abanyamakuru munonga banishetinga mwakora rukunjireki abo kubyara emiti kiri kutuma ngo ebyo kwambara mwenda byo muteka
bureke twandanisamu tuyonje takabone kandi tuyonje no makakitu ahabo kwenda kugira amakara muri
Gasha kwa Job Namanya Apule, Sande Kabaragala William na Dan Basibye.